I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble accessing your Gmail app, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. A weak or unstable connection can cause access issues. Step 2. Update the Gmail app. Go to your device's app store and check if there is an update available for the Gmail app. Keeping the app updated can resolve bugs and access issues. Step 3. Clear app cache. Navigate to your device's settings, find the Gmail app, and clear its cache. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that might be causing access problems. Note, on some devices, this option might be under storage instead of directly in the app settings. Step 4. Relog into your account. Log out of your Gmail account and then log back in. This can refresh your session and resolve any temporary access blocks. Step 5. Check account security settings. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve any access issues with your Gmail app. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.